how to make money. So ito yung 4 na dapat mong aralin, dapat mong i-execute after mong matutunan, at pag nag-execute ka na, dapat mong ma-master. So you have to do this over and over. Now we have here leads, conversions, offer, and relationship. So ang leads, this is connected to your traffic, eyeballs, basically yung mga taong nakakakita sa'yo. Pero pag sinabi nating leads, to be specific, ito yung mga taong pwede mong kontakin. Ito yung mga taong nagre-reply. Ibig sabihin, yung views mo sa social media, yung likes mo sa social media, hindi pa yan leads. Okay? Those are potential leads. Ang leads, may contact number ka, may email ka, at pwede mo silang kontakin. Pwede mo silang bentahan. And that will be the conversion. So, ibig sabihin, yung social media, yung followings, mahalaga yan, importante yan. Because that will be the eyeballs. Yan yung attention na nakukuha mo sa mga tao. Pero hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung data, hanggat hindi mo sila nakakausap, hindi pa sila leads.